Okay, hopefully the audio works. Let's see. Okay, definitely works. I'm going to test to see if the... Okay, sometimes this doesn't save the settings, but it's right at 117, 4.06 decibels. So I think that's good. Okay, so I really dislike seeing all of this barren gray area. So I was thinking about fixing the voxel placement. So like if I click on this voxel, it's supposed to place a voxel, it makes them disappear. But it is supposed to place a voxel there. That worked on X11. Doesn't work at the moment though. I need to pop out chat. There we go. Okay. Got the chat popped out. I need to make sure that the stream is set to public, and it is. So I think what I'm going to work on is, I really want the environment to be sort of immersive. And so right now I'm just going to go into Magic Voxel and work on something to place in the ocean area. Or I say ocean area. Before this was an ocean and had a ship. The problem with that is I had that model on my old hard drive, and it was on this machine, on this hard drive, but I wiped it and installed Gen 2. So it doesn't exist anymore. So I need to just like remake these models. So I'm going to sleep 4 and then run wine magicvoxel.exe, and I suppose I can go down here. I need to look in this direction. There we go. Okay, so I'll turn this block into an ocean, so I can go ahead and save this. And so if I go to So I am now keeping all of the game stuff in this new folder called Kuber Logos Vox. So this will be, I'll just call it water. Okay. Uh-oh, shit froze. Okay. I thought everything crashed. I guess maybe the stream crashed for like a couple seconds. I'm not sure. Analytics. Okay, there's a person. Hello, person. You're still up. Still there. Just Gibus says hi. I saw you. What you coded here. Cool stuff. I'm working on similar thing, but OpenGL. This is OpenGL. Do you have a repository for that, or is it like? Are you like working on a prototype, and are you going to open source it, or are you going to sell it, or what's the plan for that? I'd like to see the code if you had access to it. I can show you the code from mine. So HackMatrix. So if you look at the shaders, you can see that it's actually GLSL. So. That's the fragment. I guess there's GL color in the fragment shader. See if I can find that. Oh, I guess you set frag color. So it's not GL color, it's frag color. Yeah, GL position. There we go. I knew there was a variable named GL.